This is going to be a video on how to change out a circular fluorescent light bulb. Now, why am I making this video? I don't know. You know, people watch the dumbest things on YouTube. The dumbest videos out there get like 7 zillion views. And my channel, I bust my tochus trying to make really good videos, and they just don't do well. So I thought, everyone's going to watch this. Let's try this. Is this the right one? Whoa. That's the wrong one. That's the fluorescent bulb. Probably been in here for like 2 years or something. 2 or 3 years, easily. And the bulb is flashing on and off. Why does it do that? Because the bulb is burned out. Well, it's not burned out, but it's almost burned out. You can see over here, it's blackish. That means it's almost at its end of life over here. And the light's just flickering all over the place. Really annoying. So how do you change this thing? That is what the video is about. This is probably going to be like a 4,000 hour video. So what you want to do is you shut off the light. You really should unplug it so you don't shock yourself. But I recommend you unplug it. I'm not going to unplug it. And I have 3 little clips over here, so I'm going to slide these clips up. Can I adjust the camera eye a little bit more so we can see what's going on here? I don't know. Maybe. Maybe not. Dog is definitely not happy that I'm doing this video. She hates when I make recordings. So, 3 clips. Your lamp might vary. I got 3 clips over here, so I'm going to lift these clips up. Slide the bulb out. This is a little awkward type lamp. It's an older style lamp, but I've got about 4 of these bulbs until I finish them off. This is a T9 circular. And you can see over here, you got this connector over here. That's why you got to be careful. Well, the lamp is off, so there's no power. But this is a 4-prong, 4-wire socket. So once I have the bulb free, I'm just going to get in there and wiggle this socket a little bit, the connector, and that's the bulb. The 4 prongs, we can see the bulb is definitely burned out. And these pins over here are kind of corroded. Kind of a cheap lamp. Well, it's an expensive lamp, actually. This lamp cost about $200 and some. I'm going to be putting in this police helicopter flying outside. I'm going to be putting in this Philips T9 22 watt 8-inch. Come on, ladies, that's an 8-inch bulb. So the 8-inch bulb, 22 watt. I think the 32 watt, is it 32? Is like 10 inches or something, 12 inches? 12 inches, whoa, my goodness, ladies. Okay, so I'm going to open up the box now. Opening up the box, lifting the flappers. I'm going to slide my bulb out. Now look at this. This is a brand new bulb. Let's zoom out a little bit. There's the 4-prong socket. It's a little more copperish, not so burned out. It's not black over here. And so with this bulb, you can turn it a little bit. You really can't turn it a lot, so that means that this is in the wrong direction. I'm going to turn it this way, so it's going to be facing downward. I'm going to go back over here. I'm going to plug it in while I can. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that. I'm going to reach in here. I probably should unscrew this bulb over here so I can do what I need to do and have more access. Bulb's out of the way. It's very warm. Now I've got more access to be able to get over here and plug this thing in. And I could just plug it in over here. I could just take the bulb. I've got it under one latch over there. Now I've got more room, more ability to plug this in. Plugged in, make sure you insert it all the way. Deep penetration of the connector pins into the tight socket. I'm going to raise this clip up over here. And you got to be careful. You don't want these bulbs to shatter. That's a nightmare to be dealing with. This has got some gas in there, not the gas that you want to be dealing with. So we've got it taken care of. Everything's plugged in. It's a nice tight fit. I'm going to take this bulb. I'm going to screw this back in. You don't need to see that, but I'm going to do that. Make sure you do a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. Check out my links in the video description if you want to help me out. So now I'm going to press, hopefully I'll press the correct button this time, and we'll see what happens with the bulb. Is it going to come on? Woo, it came on. I don't know how that's looking under the camera. It's white now. Before it was really flickering and very dim, and we don't have the black area over there, and it's what it's supposed to be, a fluorescent bulb. I could replace this. I think this bulb, I don't know, in the store it's not cheap because fluorescent bulbs are not cheap anymore. I think this thing goes for like maybe $8, $12. To replace this with a T8, I mean a T9 LED, this thing would be $27, and there's really no guarantee. Even though they say it's a lifetime bulb, there's no guarantee that an LED is a lifetime bulb. So $27 would be a little bit more than I want to spend. I've got 3 of these, so that's how you change out the T9, the 22 watt. Is it the T9? I think it is. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this helped you. If you never changed a bulb like this before, this is definitely going to help you. And if you have, then you probably are not even watching this part of the video anymore. Are you? Maybe you are. Both lights on.